Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying snacks from the European market at Chicago. So the first thing is this soda. I'm pretty sure it's honey because it says honey, and then there's pictures of bees. I think it's Polish, but I haven't tried this yet, so I'm excited. Oh, smells weird.
You know, I thought, oh, this.
Oh god. It smells like beer. I don't know. It tastes weird. It tastes like a fig Newton if you dipped it in honey. Alright guys, the next candy is, it's a chocolate candy with, I don't know what's in there. Okay, let's try this. Well, so it's a hazelnut candy made in Italy, and it's really, look at this. Woo. Okay. Alright guys, the next snack is a wild sesame, wild berry flavored bar. Oh, it smells pretty good. So there's sesame seeds in here. Oh god. It's pretty good. It definitely tastes like sesame seed, but right. The next thing is I think these are like crackers or cookies or something. Okay, let's try some. They just taste like normal crackers. So, the next thing, we have some, it's pretzels. Okay. Ooh, they're long pretzels. It tastes like how I thought it was going to taste. It just tastes like normal pretzels. And then, the last thing is some chips. So I think these are like Cheeto Puffs or something. I don't know. So, here's some Cheeto Puffs. Okay. Those are pretty good. They taste like Cheeto Puffs, but with kind of no flavor. But they're still pretty good. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment anything you want. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell, and I'll see you in my next video. So bye guys.